There you go.
Okay, so after a couple minutes of trying with screwdrivers to get the snap ring back around, because I couldn't get the snap ring pliers, I don't know where they're at, gave up on the screwdrivers and just went back to the trusty needle nose, because I had easy access to get to it with the turbine housing off. There it is, it's back together. So far, everything nice moves freely, no issues. That's back where it's supposed to be. And now I can put the turbine housing back on, which that's simple enough. Don't put it on any goofy sort of crazy angles. That sits down nice and straight. And once that's back in its hole, that'll mate up nice and easily. And that goes.
Big head was in the way.
Don't tell everybody my secret.
Oh, God forbid.
And tighten this up. That's easy enough to tighten. If I can just put my wrench on it without fiddling.
Well, you know you have slippery fingers.
Wow.
I didn't make any grotesque comments. I'm being good today.
So now I'm just kind of looking at this for mock-up.
Nope.
And it's a little bit off. And it's just eyeballing because nothing really needs to be absolutely perfect. Yeah, I didn't think that would fit.
Oh, we have those kitty cats?
That's about as tight as that needs to be. Any tighter, it'll probably break. And then Robert's going to wonder what I'm doing to a brand new turbo that I have to order specific parts for. And we'll make sure this still spins nice and free, which it does. And now we can go put it on the car.
God help us all. My lovely husband's makeshift Purofab lights.
It works.
Alright, well. Whoop! Ow! Oh, my phone's ringing.